This video is going to be going over how to use your Zen-O rucksack or backpack. It does come with a couple different attachments and straps, so just to kind of show you how those are used and just in general how to put your Zen-O into the Zen-O rucksack. All right, so first of all, this is the Zen-O rucksack. So we have a top zipper up here to actually insert your Zen-O into. We do have a very nice handy pocket down here where you can put any additional accessories or batteries that you may want, which is another zipper pocket. On each side, we're going to have an elastic little band here that you could put like water bottles or again any additional items that you may want in there. And then on the back here, you're going to notice we have some straps here. They're actually detachable. I'll show you that here in a minute. And then we also do have a waist strap. So that's the one that's going to go around here. And this is just can be removed if you want, but for people, if you're doing a little bit more, strenuous activity, this is just another point of contact on your body just to help keep the unit more secure. All right, so to put your unit into the rucksack or backpack, we're just going to unzip this top zipper here. All right, and then we're going to take it and just drop it in. So the back of the unit should be towards the back of the backpack, which would be basically resting on your back. All right, so it'll sit in there like that. Put the cover on and then zip it back up here. All right, and then just a couple nice features that you'll have. So you're going to have a clear view of your display panel right here. So you can see anything that's still going on with your concentrator. And then you do have a little area here so you can put your nasal cannula on. And then also, so you don't have to take it out of the backpack, you do have access to the charge port right here. So you can actually charge it while it's still in this carry bag. All right, so a little bit on the straps that come with it. So you do have your carry handle right here. So if you just want to carry it just with your hands. Otherwise, you do have carry straps here to actually go around your shoulders. And then you're going to notice there's a couple different attachments that come in the bag. So we have some different straps here. So we have these smaller ones. And then we also have some larger ones. So they look like this. All right, so we're going to start with the smaller ones first. So these, again, they're to go more around your chest area. They're going to have these little snaps. And you're going to actually just thread it through any of these that you want. Just like so. So there's one side. And then here's the other side. So this way you can actually connect them right there. So just again, another point of contact just to help keep it more secure. And then for people who may not be necessarily using it as just a backpack, you can actually remove the straps. So there's the little clip up top, and then there's also another clip on the bottom. Again, release the clip top and the clip on the bottom. You can set these aside. And now we can take our longer straps. So let's say you're going to be maybe traveling, or I've even had people, they're on a side-by-side or something, and they want to basically just keep this more secure to maybe an object versus a person. You can use these straps and help attach that to it. So basically you'd attach this where the backpack strap goes for your shoulders. So it'd go there. You could then, wrap this around whatever it may be that you're attaching it to, and then just clip it onto the bottom here. And then same thing goes over here. So clip that in, wrap this around whatever you want to, and then clip it on the bottom. And then you can just take this and pull it tight against whatever it is. So this one, you can actually attach it to an object versus your back. So it's a very, very versatile backpack, or rucksack they call it, and just great for everyday mobility for using your Zen-O. I hope this video is very helpful in setting up your Zen-O with the Zen-O Rucksack. And again, if you do have any other questions in regards to the Zen-O or the Zen-O Rucksack, please don't hesitate to call us here at Main Clinic Supply.